Kitchen remodeling in Gilbert, Arizona. Is your kitchen boring and less functional than you want? If so, a phone consultation with our kitchen remodel expert can help. We will listen to your needs, provide expert advice, along with answering any questions you may have about the process, and provide an approximate cost. Scheduling a phone appointment is the most convenient and quickest way to start your remodel. Excited to create your dream kitchen? We understand that remodeling your kitchen is a huge investment. It is one of the most critical rooms in your home where memories are made and shared. Phoenix Home Remodeling kitchen remodeling services can help you turn your kitchen into the showpiece of your home that will be enjoyed for years to come. When you are ready to take on a kitchen remodel in Gilbert, Arizona, the first step is finding the right contractor who will work with you to create a design that fits your needs and your budget. At Phoenix Home Remodeling, we have a team of experienced designers who will work with you to create a custom kitchen design that is perfect for your home. Once the design is complete, our own skilled installation team will begin the process of transforming your kitchen into a beautiful and functional space. We use only the highest quality materials and take pride in our workmanship. Gilbert Kitchen Remodeling doesn't have to be stressful. Let us take care of everything, from design to completion. Call Phoenix Home Remodeling today for a free consultation. Take advantage of our free kitchen remodeling advice. Homeowners in many surrounding Arizona communities have terrible issues dealing with a general contractor. They may not show, forcing you to chase them. They may raise their prices unfairly after a project starts, creating arguments and dragging out the total length the project takes to complete. No one deserves to go through these nightmares in their home's complete makeovers. You deserve the proper expectations and to be treated honestly and fairly. Our clients love how we provide straightforward advice, show up on time, and stick to the budget and project timeline. In addition to creating a beautiful dream space, you'll love showing it off to your neighbors, family, and friends. You can get a free consultation to review your remodeling ideas and answer any questions you have. We'll even help you with the questions to ask other remodeling companies whether you book your dream project with us or not. Thank you for watching this video. Our team at Phoenix Home Remodeling will take great care of you and your home. If you are interested in remodeling, our telephone number is 602-492-8205. You can also visit us online at phxhomeremodeling.com.